Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back with another video. So, I guess we are all in lockdown right now. At least I am in Gujarat, it's currently lockdown. So, stay safe, everybody. Don't go out with no reason. Please stay inside, stay safe, and take care of your family. So, this video, I'm gonna show you how to prepare your bike for quarantine or lockdown. I'm gonna be talking about the steps that I follow. And yeah, since we have already gone through this lockdown once last year, and yeah, first most important thing that your bike needs to right now is cleanliness. I would suggest you to clean your bike once in a week or so, nothing complicated. Alright, so next one is proper lubrication. It is really necessary to lubricate your chain, or else your chain will for sure start rusting. There is no doubt in that you have to lube your chain, and you just have to lube it once, and that's all. Don't worry about the lubing again. But then if you are washing your bike, then you will have to lube it again and again. So keep that in your mind. I would really suggest you to cover your bikes if your bikes is not under a roof, because you don't want direct sunlight to be hitting on the bike. That's going to really damage your paint. Your paint will fade away quicker than you think. Never keep your bike under the sunlight without any covering. If you don't have a bike cover, any kind of cloth would be fine. So most important thing is your battery, and if your battery is more than 2 to 3 years old, then it's most certain that the battery would be deeply discharged. If you don't start your bike for about probably a month or so, I would suggest you to start your bike every 3 to 4 days and keep it in idle for about 5 minutes. That would be really necessary. Or if you are unable to start it once in every 3 to 4 days, then I would really suggest you to unplug the terminals from your battery so that nothing happens to your battery. What I basically do, I just start my bike once in every 3 to 4 days and keep it in idle for 5 minutes. Let the engine heat up and make sure you don't rev your motorcycle while you do this. As soon as you start the bike, don't just rev the motorcycle, because I have seen a lot of people do that, where they just start the bike and immediately start revving. It's really a bad thing. Don't do that. Just keep it in idle for 5 minutes. That's pretty much enough. Okay, now it's about tires. So what I do, I try to move my bike around my car parking just to avoid flat spotting in tires. Now, if you don't know what flat spotting is, if you keep your bike in this position for probably a month or so, what happens is it creates a flat spot where your tires and ground is in contact. This specific point means to avoid, I would suggest you to move your bike around frequently. if it's possible, and while you are doing this, make sure you apply front and back brakes, while would keep the working of braking system functional. So these are the things I do to keep my bike protect from quarantine. Stay safe, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. And yeah, like my video, share it, and subscribe it. I will catch you guys later. Bye bye.